keep taking a wad until I bump into her. You look on the column and in my hand for a queen. Either way. Yeah, we're going to bump into her here in a little bit. They're a little confused. Yeah. Okay. It's all good. Gosh. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. Ooh. Ooh. Stick is in my way. This is not fast, but this is very effective. Let's see. She's up here, man. Yep, just take your time. My right hand's free for the queen clip. Left hand's working the bees. Up here. Okay. Mm. 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 Okay. Spread my fingers open. And I'm looking. And when she hits daylight, she'll scurry and run. She doesn't like daylight. Get those bees. They're figuring it out. They're thinking about marching down that board now. Oh, I tell you. That's all right. If they march down the board, I won't get the queen, but that's okay too. Okay.
Might want to spray that group again.
Where? Here?
No, the one on the post. The outside ones are, inside ones are dry.
Got her. Got her. Got her. She's crawling the outside of her cluster, so you always got to be watching. She's crawling around the outside. I know I got her. Yep, there she is. Yay! Got the queen. Cool. Let's see if I can scurry him out. Mm. Mm. Don't touch the tabs. Let's see if I can get some of these. Just wait a minute, I'll call for you. I gotta wait. She's right there, where the tip of my. Where's she running around? Hold on. There she is. Over there. Right there she is. Right there she is.
Fast and furiously.
Right there she is. So game's over. Now we got the mama queen. That's at least one. So we assume there might be more. She was up high crawling around. There may be more. Okay, so she'll stay there. Nobody's going anywhere real soon. Never assume there's only one queen. See, they're already finding mama. All right. That's a good thing. Now everybody is slow down. They get all wound up. They want to book it back out of the house if I don't leverage them. I'm looking here and I'm looking there. And I watch the porch. Four spots. My hands, the top, the porch, and the column for a queen running around. Okay. It's all good. I won't spritz the queen. I'll use her pheromone to hold them in. Not a problem. Okay. Now, you girls have got to come down here now. Come on now.
Put some more down on the porch.
Yep. Come on now. Be gentle with them. Take your time. Okay. Yeah. They know where they're going. Oh yeah, come on girls. Come on girly whirlies. Get some of these sticks out of my way. Darn it. Yeah, good. Okay. Uh-oh. Okay. Keep working. Never assume there's only one queen. There'll be usually the original mother queen if it's the main swarm with maybe some virgins. And you can capitalize on multiple queens. There they go. There they go. Okay, film the marching. It took a while. Film the marching. That's why we do the board. Now they ought to start threading down the board. There they go. Come on, girls. They're talking to each other. Come on. They're saying, get down here, dadgummit. The beekeeper's tired. He wants to go in and watch OU beat up on Villanova. Where's this twig?
Back behind.
Behind?
It's in the ground.
A little odd. Okay.
I can cut it for you
Nah,
if you...
it's okay. Just get those little pieces out of my way. Now we're talking. There we go. This is so much better than shaking bees. You have a higher odds of catching the queen. The bees appreciate the gentleness. They tend to abscond much less. It's just better all the way around. They'll tolerate that little flicking. They're right in the house now. Get in there, girls. Okay. Okay, so while they're doing that, I want this sugar block. This is why this is so important. Sugar water on them is not going to work in a cold night. They're not going to come down there and drink sugar water. So what we want is this sugar block on them next to the queen. I'll scoot her over. This is just a single medium. That's all they need.